The Galaxy Dream Team is working and possibly now collaborating with Google and AMD to create the best chip for the Galaxy S series in 2025, and beyond. Samsung's own Exynos brand will be back, maybe with a different name, but it will be back. Qualcomm. It's not going to be a forever fix. Hopefully Samsung can actually unlock the ultimate game to the table. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to have exclusive high-frequency version Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset in Europe. Over the past few years you may have grown more and more disappointed with Samsung's decision to use its own arguably inferior Exynos SoC in Europe in its flagship devices instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon. If so, then you were undoubtedly happy to hear straight from Qualcomm, no less, that there will be no more Exynos in the Galaxy S23 series next year. Not anywhere in the world. It's all Snapdragon everywhere. Adding to the excitement today is famed Ice Universe, who reveals that Samsung will use an exclusive high-frequency version of the just-announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Galaxy S23 series in Europe, one-upping all of his competitors in the process. Finally, we also have an update on the fingerprint scanner of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A lot of people were asking whether or not the Galaxy S23 Ultra will get the new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that covers almost the entire bottom half of the display. Well, the answer is no, and we have a leaked screen protector that confirms the fingerprint scanner will be of the same size as the one the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The fingerprint scanner on the S22 Ultra is fast and accurate, and basically it's flawless. It's as good as the capacitive scanner we had in the past, and yes, a bigger scanning area would have been cool, but considering people have no problems with the current version, I can see why they don't want to include a bigger one that will increase the production costs. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of a phone, and Qualcomm has made massive improvements here. Is 435% more powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and this power can be used by the camera to distinguish which parts of the image are faces, hair, clothes, background, etc., and apply different processing accordingly. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.